guys, just wanted to show you my geothermal air conditioner that I finally put together. I've been working on it for a while. I got it done though, and I'll walk you through it a little bit. Let me get over here and I'll show you how it works. So this is the geothermal setup, air conditioner that I set up here, and I've got it running on an old Honeywell thermometer. It's set to heat right now, which I set it to 45 degrees, so that way nothing can freeze in here. So I got all my water storage and whatnot. But here's 12 volt fans right here, 12 volt DC fans, and that pulls the air through this radiator here that I've got filled up. My lines coming in from over there and go through the wall, and they come out the slab outside, and I've got them insulated, and they come up through the wall here. That goes over here into the radiator, fills it up, and then comes back out the radiator down here. And you can barely see that, but down here there's the hose coming out. I've got it fitted down, and it goes to the pump and back up and back out. So just a constant circulation in the loop here. 12 volt pump. This is one of my 12 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries that I built, and that thing will hold this for a while. It's a 60 amp hour, and I've got it hooked up right now with one of my UPS chargers that I built in a previous video. Y'all probably seen it already, but this way I kind of keep an eye on that voltage. That's just going to keep a float charge on it. Let me go ahead and fire it up. I'll show y'all how this thing works. So these Honeywells, they only allow a 1 amp load on the little bitty relay inside here. So what I did was I just had the little bitty relay turn on a bigger relay. This is just an automotive 12 volt relay that'll handle 20 amps. But this whole unit, these pull what is it? Yeah, 0.3 amps. So that's 4 watts, 8 watts with the fans there. And this is a 5 amp, so that's 60 watts. So 68 watts total on the battery, and then so 69 watts, because you got a little bit of power to close that coil. But here I'll go ahead and turn it on for you. And what I did was I just wired inside here to the fan pin. So anytime you turn the fan on, it kicks on the relay, turns everything on. And so if it's on hot, heat, or cool, either way I decide to use it, when it kicks on, it's going to kick the fan on, everything turns on. So it worked out pretty good. Let me go, I'll just turn the fan on manually right here. Y'all can hear it. These fans are super quiet. I mean, you can barely hear anything, but they blow a lot of air. So what I did was I built a plenum box over the back side here with some material, and on top here I just kind of closed it all up, put foil tape around it, and on the inside I put foil tape. And this is the coolant that I used. I filled the whole system up. This stuff's good till -50, and if it leaks out, it's supposed to be not so bad for the environment and everything as you would regular antifreeze. And got me a couple spare fans in case one breaks down. Always good to have. I got an extra pump floating around here somewhere too. I put a solar charge controller here, and I'm gonna hook up some solar panels to it too, just to keep it, completely off grid. But for now, this is how I've got them. And I really mainly had this on here just to watch it, and it's like not even budging. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. I hope y'all like it. Maybe y'all go build you one. It's pretty simple. You just need some tubing down in the ground, and there's on this one in particular, I got 250 feet of tubing looped around the whole slab underneath, under the beam of the slab. So, but that's where I did it before we poured the concrete. So, anyhow, just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you like it. Go build you one.